To link a page to a button in WordPress, particularly when using the Elementor page builder, follow these steps. Open the page in Elementor. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, All Pages, and select the page where you want to add the button. Click Edit with Elementor to open the page editor. Add a button widget. In the Elementor editor, drag the button widget from the left sidebar and drop it into the desired section of your page. Customize the button. In the button settings section, you can change the text of the button, such as click here or learn more. Link the button to a page. In the link field under button settings, type or paste the URL of the page you want the button to link to. If it's an internal page, you can start typing the page title and Elementor will suggest pages from your site. If it's an external page, you can simply paste the full URL. Adjust button style. Customize the button size, color, and alignment according to your preferences. Publish the page. Once done, click Publish or Update to save the changes. Your button is now linked to the selected page.